Hi guys! We know that potato chips are very popular food, and the potato chips market is also very large. Today, I will take you to our customer's factory to see how his potato chip factory works. First, we pass through the dust removal and the disinfection room, and then enter the production workshop. The first process we see now is the washing and peeling of potatoes. The potatoes enter the peeling machine, and the potato skins are removed by the rotation of the nylon rollers. The peeled potatoes enter the manual selection line, and the bad potatoes are manually processed again. Then, the potatoes enter the slicer. The slicer can adjust the slice thickness, and this slice thickness is 1.5 mm. Look, you can see that the slicing effect is very good, and the thickness is very uniform. The potato chips enter the washing machine, wash and remove excess starch. Then enter the blanching machine, blanch in 95-degree water to protect the color of the potato chips and prepare for frying. After blanching, the potato chips pass through the air dryer, and the fan is used to remove the surface water. Then the potato chips enter the fryer and are fried at 160 degrees. The fryer has a double-layered belt to ensure that the potato chips can remain in the oil and are fried evenly. Let's take a look. The fried potato chips are very crispy and taste good. After frying, the potato chips enter the vibrating table for vibration removal of oil. At the same time, unqualified potato chips are selected. The next step is seasoning. The potato chips are rotated in the seasoning machine to make the potato chips more evenly seasoned. Finally, we came to the packing workshop. The potato chips are packed into bags by the packing machine, and then they can be sold. You see, potato chips process is not difficult. It took about 6 months from the planning to the completion of this factory. But it's necessary to pay attention to the design of the production line combined with the workshop, which is more conducive to the management of the factory processing. Follow me to learn more about the potato processing business.